Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about homemade sponge cake. I will show you the step-by-step procedure of mixing the ingredients that will give you a super soft sponge cake.
Let's check the ingredients with their quantity. The first ingredient is egg. Here I have taken 5 eggs. I have taken sugar of 1.5 cup, flour or maida 1.5 cup, butterscotch essence 1 tablespoon, baking powder 1 tablespoon, and here I have used butter only for greasing purpose. Before going to the main recipe, here I will be sharing a very simple hint to you all. Make sure you separate the egg yolks and the egg white in 2 different containers, and then you will beat them separately. Now let's go to the recipe. First, you have to beat the egg white for a minimum of 2 to 3 minutes. I'm using a multi-purpose beater from Kent. You will find the purchase link from the description below. Make sure you keep beating the egg white until it is frothy and the texture turns into foam. You can definitely see the texture that it's smooth enough that it does not fall apart from the bowl. The second step is beating the egg yolk. I have grinded 1.5 cup of sugar into powder, so it mixes well. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butterscotch essence. The purchase link will be shared in the description box. In the same procedure, you have to beat all of the ingredients together until it is frothy enough. Beat the egg yolks properly until all the ingredients are mixed well. After half a minute of beating, you will find the egg yolks have turned into a creamy foam. In the third step, you have to add the egg yolk and the egg white together. Mix the egg white and the egg yolk very smoothly. I have used a large spoon for the mixing process. If you have spatula at your home, please use that. Now add 1.5 cup of flour or maida in the mix. I have added the flour in 3 portions so it does not leave any lump. Mix all the ingredients properly yet slowly and you will see it changing into a smooth batter. Check the batter properly before transferring it to the cake tin. Here I have greased the cake tin with butter and dry flour. Now let's transfer the batter into the cake tin. Tap the container for 2-3 times for removing any air bubbles. Final step is baking the cake. I have preheated the oven at 180 degrees. Now let's set the timer of 30 minutes and wait patiently till the cake is baked. After 30 minutes, check with a skewer or knife if the cake is half cooked or full cooked. If the cake is half cooked, the batter will stick on the skewer, else the skewer will come out clean from the cake. Now the homemade sponge cake is ready to be served. If you have liked the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thank you for watching.